Welcome to DBC Diaries episode 6. Today you're going to see returning patient Denise. She was here last year and did her knees. She was at 3rd degree arthritis in both knees. She came back this year to do more treatment to get just one of those knees back all the way because the left knee, she says, feels perfect and the scans prove that. So it's awesome to see. We love seeing these kind of results. We're going to share that with you. Please watch this video and get to the part where we go through our interview because she's got a few tips and tricks that helped her get such miraculous results with the stem cells that we'll get into. So take a look, see the video. I'm Josh, happy to help. DBC Diaries Day 1.
Este es el punto de reunión que tenemos con los pacientes en el aeropuerto. Lo pueden identificar a través de esta señalética. Es importante que una vez aterrizado el avión, el paciente esté atento a su celular porque haremos contacto con ellos.
Denise and her husband Mark arrived today, so our driver is there at the airport waiting for them. He's going to take them to the taxi, get them a ride to their hotel, and they'll be able to go from there, rest and relax today, and then we'll get started on everything else tomorrow. DBC Diaries Day 2. Today, Juan Carlos, our driver, is going to pick up Denise and Mark from their hotel and bring them into the clinic. Denise only will be doing treatment today, this trip, so she's coming in to do her blood work and then come upstairs to do payment. So we'll take her there, get her a nice cup of coffee, and get everything going for treatment this trip. DBC Diaries Day 3. Today our driver is going to pick up Denise and Mark, get them over to the clinic, and we're going to first start by reviewing her blood work, line by line, going over all that. The doctor is going to compare her previous MRIs to the new one of her knee for that, and then we're going to get going with treatment.
Nice to meet you. I'm Dr. Liz. She's Dr. Giovanna, the anesthesiologist.
The first thing that we're going to do is the intrathecal treatment. The anesthesiologist is going to do this treatment. After that, we're going to do the knee treatment, and then we're going to do the facial treatment. The total of stem cells that we're going to use is 120 million. En el caso de Denise, se realizará la toma de 3 muestras para sus estudios de laboratorio. Esto puede variar dependiendo de cada paciente.
We have a good view here.
Oh, yeah.
So we have 2 vials with 25 million of stem cell each one. A total 50 million. And I'm going to put the 2 vials in the same syringe, so it's going to be only 1 injection. So first, I'm going to touch the area. And I'm going to do the injection. And you can feel a little pressure. It's normal because I'm going to let the stem cells. And we finish.
And before the facial treatment, the nurse is going to put a numbing cream. So this is a facial tonic. You can use it at home every morning and every night after clean your face. Then you're going to use the serum. This is that contains hyaluronic acid, growth factor, so it's perfect for your skin. You can use it after the facial tonic, morning and night. And then you're going to use the sunscreen. Okay. Remember, every 4 hours for 1 week. Okay? So first, I'm going to clean your face. Now I'm going to put thermal water. It's in a spray. Close your eyes. We're going to show you, Denise. We have 2 vials with 10 million of stem cell each one, and 1 vial with 20 million of fibroblasts. And here I have 1 vial with your PRP. I'm going to mix everything. Okay, so I'm going to start with the injections. I'm going to continue in this area. I'm going to continue in this side. Now I'm going to take only your plasma and I'm going to put with a microneedling. It's a Dermapen. I'm going to start.
Now I'm going to put the facial tonic, the one that I'm going to give you. Okay, it's in a spray, so close your eyes. And I'm going to put sunscreen. And we finish.
Hi, hey, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and I'm here with returning patient Denise. Hi, Denise. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. So you're back again, and last time you were here, you did quite a few treatments.
Yeah.
What all did you get done last time?
I got both knees. I got thyroid and the 100,000, I think, of the IV.
100 million.
100 million.
Yeah.
100 million. Yes. Yep.
Yeah, and I
Big
think your husband Mark, he did some too.
He did prostate and he did the IV also.
That's awesome. So you're back again, doing your knee today, and then we were also doing, what else did we do?
The intrathecal.
The intrathecal, that's right. Yep. So how did things go before?
It was amazing. I didn't really have any expectations the first time, and I had significant pain in both knees. I had intermediate thinning under both patellas. I had arthritis on the femoral notch on both of them, scarring on both MCLs, and I had meniscus tear in the right one. And I think it's been 9 months. So I just got the MRI done again, and I knew my left one was fine because it didn't hurt anymore.
Awesome.
And it's 100% normal cartilage.
Wow.
No MCL scarring, no arthritis in either. And the right knee went from intermediate thinning to mild. And meniscus is healed. And,
that's a huge difference.
Big difference, 9 months.
That's super cool.
So I wanted to try to get the right one at 100%, so that's why I came back.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, thanks. Now, question, because we do always curious. I mean, did you just do our rehab protocol? Did you do any different supplements, anything to kind of help speed things up? Or just
I
give it time?
did the type 2 cartilage.
Okay.
I don't know if it helped or didn't help.
No, that's actually
it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt.
I bet it helped. We're seeing that a lot from patients.
Yeah.
We like to think of the stem cells, they're like the manager on the construction site. But you need to make sure that they have the bricks to build the house.
Yeah.
And that's why I asked. We're actually consistently getting feedback like that back from patients that are taking these collagen supplements and seeing them regenerate faster. And people aren't seeing that from just a supplement. So the combo seems to be the perfect thing. That's incredible. Yeah. So very cool. And then what about with the other treatments? Like
the intrathecal, I thought about, is that what?
Well, no, before. Because you did your thyroid too. Like, how's your thyroid doing?
I couldn't tell a difference really with the thyroid.
Okay.
And my husband couldn't tell a difference with the prostate.
Okay.
But I can't say it didn't help. I just...
Have you seen, compared the numbers before and after, or no? Did
for
your blood work look different on the thyroid?
It's the same. No, it's relatively the same.
Yeah, that's what's tricky with the thyroid, is if it is autoimmune based, it's almost always just fixes it, but when we don't know if that's quite what's causing it, it's a bit
And when
troubling.
I did it, that's what you told me. You said it wasn't going to hurt, but
yeah, it might work,
worth
might
a
not
shot.
on that one. It's tricky to know.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this time we did only the right knee because that one wasn't quite there, and then the intrathecal. How did that? That's a weird one, right?
it feels strange, and a little bit of pressure down there in your lower back. But other than that, it wasn't bad.
Yeah, I think I always joke it hurts mentally more than physically.
Thinking about it, when she said loosen your muscles, I didn't know I could tighten those muscles back there.
Yeah, but it's pretty easy. So now you'll just kind of rest the rest of the day. We'd recommend go back, lay down, let the spinal cord fluid flow.
Okay.
It's easier to do if you're laid down.
Okay.
And we'll see there, and hopefully you'll be much smarter next time you come
That's
back.
what I told my husband. I'm gonna walk out of here a genius.
Well, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming back.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing that. It really helps other people to know, hey, my knees are bad, but there's a solution other than surgery.
It is, absolutely. And most people in the United States, they don't believe it.
Yeah, it's tough for them to comprehend. So fortunately, we can do it here. They can't do quite the same thing in the US. It's really with the culturing, the replicating of the cells, but because of that, we're able to help a lot of people. So
it's amazing, actually. And it's everything that I researched, so it's
great.
It's nice that it can be true.
Good. Well, thank you so much. Thanks for sharing that. DBC Diaries Day 4. Today, driver's going to pick up Denise and Mark, take them to the airport. They're going to head home. So the healing journey is just started. Now they're going to go home, and typically within 3 to 6 months, most patients are seeing peak results, just like Denise did last time. So she's excited for that. Get that right knee back to perfect, just like the left knee. So we'll be going from there. Thank you for watching. This concludes DBC Diaries, episode 6. If you're a past patient, you're interested in perhaps sharing your story, please contact us. We'd love to share that, get you on an episode here. If you are interested in treatment, please contact us at toll-free 833-445-9089 for a free consultation. We'll answer all your questions. And if you just want to kind of look at the website, see what we have going, we've got all the prices and treatments listed at www.dreambody.clinic. You can scroll down on the homepage. Everything's listed there with easy to access links so you can see exactly what treatment you're interested in. I'm Josh, happy to help.